Hey everybody, so we're back again. Let's see how far we can get. Taking it apart, hopefully we'll get most of the stuff out, ready for the engine to come out. Maybe tomorrow, maybe the day after. We'll see how long we get here and what decides it's rusted solid. So one of my friends suggested I should do a video at like every step of getting something out, so I thought I'd just grab the alternator here. You see it's got a back plate that you have to unscrew before you can unbolt the terminals from it. It's something I've not seen before, but I guess it does its job judging by how rusty it's gotten. So removing this radiator is a bit harder than thought. As you can see under here, we have more pipes, and there's no real way, I can get 2 fingers in. It's not really wide enough, so I think I've got to drop the anti-roll bar down to get in to remove the radiator, which seems fun. So this came off amazingly. All the bolts, everything without much problem. Despite, like clearly being on the car for so long. I think because everything's overdone size-wise, everything just comes undone with a little bit of effort. Pretty good. Well, we're out. Tell you what, that's not a fun job to do. Hey, so I bet here's something you didn't know. On one side of the car, look, we're going to the right. Tighten. Loosens the wheel nuts on one side. Tightens on the other side, loosens on this side. Not sure why it does that, but it's weird. So we've got the brake fluid reservoir out. I figure might as well just cut all the pipes. It's so rusty, and I'm not keeping the brake lines, so that makes much more space. Just removing everything still, working my way around the engine, make it as easy on the way out as can be, as it's all got to come out anyway. So I'm just here taking apart the wiper mechanism. I've never seen one like this before. Whereas if you pull, oh, there they go. Obviously, not quite sure how we get that out yet, but not seen one of them before. For the day, we've got a bunch of little things out, but it's all awkward to get to. But I've never seen, I don't know how well you can see, but this, it's like putty. And it's just covering up stuff. It's still soft, movable. Don't know what it is, but they used it for, break that out of the way. covering up something? Yeah. Tears, I don't know what's going on here, but that's one of the weirder things I've found today, but we're getting there, Hopefully tomorrow we'll get things ready for taking the engine out, and then maybe get the engine the day after, not quite sure yet, but we'll see how it goes. Thanks for watching again, guys.